Now, question number 3 of 12.1 exercise. Let us read this question. There is a slide in a park. Slide means fizzle patti. One of its side walls has been painted in some color. We have to paint this wall of the park with message, keep the park green and clean. The wall to be painted is this one, on which this message is written. If the sides of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. So dear students, as the wall is in triangular shape, so we have to paint this triangular shaped wall. So we will find out the area of this wall, and because all the three sides are given to us, so we will use Heron's formula. So yesterday I taught you, before using Heron's formula, we must find out semi-perimeter. So let us start finding out semi-perimeter. A, B, C are the three sides. Let us start putting the value. So the first is A, that is 15 meter plus 11 meter plus, we can ignore the units here, plus 6 divided by 2. So you will get 15, this is 26, 32 divided by 2. So you will get semi-perimeter is equal to 16 meter. So this is the semi-perimeter. So dear students, now let us put this value in our formula, and we can take this as A, and this is as B, and this is as C. So let us start putting the values in area formula. Area to be painted is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So let us start putting the values in this. Square root of, we have S, 16 into 16 minus A is 15. 16 into 16 minus 11 into 16 minus 6. So let us solve. 16 into 16 minus 15 is 1. 16 minus 11 is 5. And 16 minus 6 is 10. So I told you to solve the square root, dear students, we have to make the pairs. So let us split them into pairs. If you can directly split them, you can directly. If you do not know how to split them, you can use prime factorization to get this values. 2 8s are 16, 2 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So these are the factors of 16. 4 times 2 we are getting. So, or we can directly take square root of 16 is 4. We can take out 4 also. But if you don't know how to do, you can factorize by using prime factorization method. Then 1 into 5 itself is a prime number. We can't factorize it further. Now factors of 10, you can directly write them, or in this form. 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So 5 into 2. So dear students, let us make the pairs. First pair, second, this. And now this 2 is left alone. So from each pair, let us take out a number outside. 2. From this pair a 2. From this pair a 5. Now left with 1 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. 5s are 20. Root 2 meter square. This is the area I told you yesterday. For area, the units should be square units. So in this way, you will know, get the area to be painted. The area of the wall to be painted is equal to 20 square root of 2 meter square. We can further solve it by long division method. We can find out the value of root 2 also. So in this way, dear students, you can do it.